This is Afsana Awal. Today I will take you English language class, and students, just look at the board. This is today's topic. Our today's topic is lesson 20 discussion and exercise 1. That means today we will discuss lesson 20 and we will do the exercise number 1 of this lesson 20. Now let's start our class. Look at the board. Students, just look at the board. This is lesson 20 and the chapter's title is What I Did Yesterday. What I did yesterday. Okay, and this is called the simple past tense. That means yesterday already gone, and what we did yesterday. For writing this, we have to use the simple past tense. In some cases, we have to add ed. In some cases, we have to add d. In some cases, we have to add t for making it in the past form. Just look, Ankit played with his toys. Just look. Read what Ankit did when he was alone at home yesterday. Just look, yesterday, that means that's already finished. So yesterday, for writing yesterday, we have to use the past tense. Ankit played with his toys. Just look, this is play, and we have to use here ed for as the work is done yesterday. The work finished. So Ankit played. We have to add here ed with his toys. Play is the verb, is the main verb, and we have to add ed for making it past form. Now the second one, he listened to music. Just look here, listen is the main verb, and we have to add here ed for making it the past form. So he listened to music. He listened to music. Now the next one, just look at the picture. He jumped from the table. He jumped from the table. So here, just jumped, just look here, the word is jump. The main verb is jump here, and we have to use here ed. We have used here ed as the work is in the work happened in the yesterday. That's why we have to use here jumped. He jumped from the table. Now the next one, just look at the picture. He chased the cat in the garden. He chased the cat in the garden. He chased the cat in the garden. Here chase is the main verb, and we have used here d as this is the work of yesterday. He chased the cat in the garden. We have used here d. So just look here, in some cases we hear ed, and in some place we have used here d as the works are done in yesterday. Okay, that's why we have used here the past form. Now go to the next page. Here is exercise, and we have to do this. Students, just look at the board. Exercise number 1. Now write what Rupani did yesterday. Use the words from the box to complete the sentences. Just look, there are some words here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are given here, and 5 fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in the blanks by using these words. The first one is done for you. Number 1 is Rupani washed the car. Okay, this is done for you. Now number 2, just look at the picture that Rupani washed the car. Now go to the next number 2. She dashed her homework. So polished, completed, washed, helped, and cleaned. Already washed, done here. Already washed is number 1. And now number 2, she dashed her homework. So what will be here? She completed her homework. completed. She completed her homework. She completed her homework. Noun number 3. She dashed her cupboard. She dashed her cupboard. So what will be here? She cleaned her cupboard. C-L-E-A-N-E-D. Cleaned. She cleaned her cupboard. Noun number 4. She dashed her shoes. She dashed her shoes. So she polished her shoes. P-O-L-I-S-H-E-D. She polished her shoes. She polished her shoes. Now number 5. She dashed her brother with his project. She dashed her brother with his project. So she helped. H-E-L-P-E-D. So she helped her brother in the project. She helped her brother with his project. She helped her brother with his project. And students, your HW. Now it's time for your HW. Your HW number 14 is lesson 20, exercise 1. Only the answer. Okay. No need to write the full sentence. Write only the answer. No need to write the full sentence. Write only the answers. Lesson 20, exercise 1. That means these 5 words you have to write. The serial number 1, like this one, number 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In this way, you have to write only the answer. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.